Queens, welcome to today's vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. If it is your first time here, I am Kanyim Somi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you do stay, and you can do so by simply pressing the subscribe button down below and join this beautiful family. Yeah, I am vlogging today. I just thought I would randomly pick up my camera. I am actually on my way to the mall right now. I want to get my Apple Watch, the wristband of it reduced because I bought a new one, but it's too big for me, so I just want to get that adjusted. I want to check out Zara. I haven't been there in a couple of weeks, so I just want to check out what new stuff they have in there. And then what else? I'm actually just trying to make a mental to-do list, or I need to go to the body shop because I desperately need tea tree oil. Can you guys see how ginormous this pimple is? And I've been breaking out a lot as well in this area. I don't know why, but most of my breakouts happen like here. You guys can even see like the marks, and around my forehead area as well. So the tea tree oil from the Body Shop really does help with eliminating those spots without being too harsh, that it doesn't leave marks like you can see here. Yeah, so I need to get that, and then I need a couple of things from Discam as well. Actually just need to make a list on my phone, but yeah, I will take you guys along with me. First thing though that I want to do is get coffee, or a coffee. But you know, Zara always has that stupid rule that you can't drink in their store, so I think I'll go to Zara first. I'll take my watch to get adjusted because they usually take like 45 minutes first, and then I'll go to Zara, and then I'll grab a cup of coffee, and then I'll do the rest of the stuff that I want to do. Anyway, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up before you even continue watching it, so it can reach as many people as possible. Subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. I truly do appreciate it. We are on the road to 25k subscribers. So yeah, I truly do appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and show me some love and support. And yeah, let's get right into it. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing though first. So it is autumn right now, but it's a very cold autumn in South Africa. Like, it's unusually cold now, and I can't imagine how winter is going to be if it's already cold and it's just the start of autumn. Or not even the start, the middle of autumn actually, because we are in April. But anyway, I am wearing these faux leather track pants. Got them a couple of years ago from Zara. I am wearing my Yeezy slides, and I have on this Moschino sweater, and my hair, I just tied it. It's like a curly closure wig from Ewan's Hair. This is more of like my gym errands type of wig because it's not the best quality. So yeah, anyway, I tied it up into like a little bun, and then I am wearing an RV twirly over it. I really like how this looks. First time trying it like this. Really like how it looks, and I don't have my wig glued down. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna carry a small pochette. It's actually in my bedroom already, and yeah, let's get going. in Hyde Park. I am meeting Joey for lunch. Cookie was supposed to join us, but she didn't make it because she's not feeling too well. And today is a public holiday. It's Workers' Day, 1st of May, and it's my birthday month. Yeah, so I am meeting up with Joey. Not too sure where this place is. I think it's here. Alright. What are you having?
And I'm gonna have an egg spinny.
Have you ever had one from here?
No. I'm hoping they're still serving breakfast.
I'm sure they do. Tasha's is breakfast throughout mostly.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
They should, yeah. They don't say anything about time, so
Yeah?
it should be throughout.
I'm stuffed. There's an Olives and Place that's literally right across. It's an exclusive book. Have you been to that one? It's
I've never even been to the Santa one. I've never been to any of them.
Really? I love
Is it nice though? Because when I was checking out the pictures, it looks so like,
what?
oh, like vintage-esque.
No.
It's not. Maybe just
I
the
like the
pictures I
one.
saw.
Yeah. I like the one at the embassy because it's got like the pool. It's very nice for like.
Oh, I've seen those on video. That's on videos.
It's very nice when it's a sunny day. Like I thought
Daytime.
Yeah, daytime. If today was warm, we should have gone there. It's nice. The food's nice.
I've never been to any of them.
Really? Drunk.
And they're opening one in Waterfall.
Are they?
Yeah, so that's that new development.
Which one?
Those like 3 apartments.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Ellipse.
Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice.
Good morning, Queens. Today is Sunday morning and I am getting ready to go spend my morning with L'Oreal. Yeah, attending an event that they are having. So yeah, I'm getting ready for that. And I will obviously try and take you guys along with me because I am working today as well. I need to, you know, shoot content for Instagram. So I will try to do that and to vlog as much as possible. Do forgive me if I don't do the greatest job at it. I am just preparing my hair. You guys saw, oh, I didn't even show you. So when I sleep I put it in like twists, and when you wake up you still have, you know, the curl pattern going. So the only thing I need to do now is just to sort out this hairline, and I think I'm gonna do like little baby hairs as well. And yeah, let me actually charge this camera because it is low on battery, and I will see you guys probably when we are on our way to the event. I've arrived. I'm just grabbing a smoothie and a cappuccino before I head on over to go do my makeup. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I want to grab a smoothie. I'm gonna have a protein bar and a cup of cappuccino before I head out to go do my makeup. So we are testing the infallible 32-hour fresh wear makeup by L'Oreal. So what we're gonna do is just put like foundation on, and then we're gonna do like workouts throughout the morning, and then test the durability of the foundation afterwards. So yeah, that is what I am here to do today. Just waiting on my smoothie and my coffee, and then I'll head on over that side.
This morning got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah.
So strong. I hit 15, which is the highest, and I just got a free product. Makeup is all done. I really love the infallible makeup. I've actually used it before, and I'm in the shade 313. I really love how it feels. It literally doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin. So we are gonna do a workout, like I said, throughout the day, and then we'll see how that looks after the workout.
Every day is easy, I'ma keep it brief. I'm like a caterpillar turning to a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ex is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, and wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
Right after, you're going to hit the Pure Motion Studio, get your workout on, and then we'll meet here again for some lunch. So thank you everyone for coming. Please enjoy. And remember the hashtags are L'Oreal Paris SA, hashtag worth it, and hashtag Infallible. Okay. Thank you.
Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a cat.
Let's start.
Not cooking.
Everybody see this black strap?
I used to take this life for granted, I apologize. So thankful I'm alive, this jungle I survive. I'm on a natural high, just like the east side rise. My ex is sunny side, it's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, girl in my ride.
I am back at home, you guys, and my camera battery died, so I just got lazy to charge it. But I am back at home. We had such a hectic workout. Oh my goodness. I frequent the gym, but that was really tough. I felt like someone that doesn't go to the gym at all. But such a good workout for, you know, a Sunday morning. And remember the foundation that we're trying out? Literally, I've done no touch-ups. I haven't sprayed, I haven't put powder on, nothing. This is how, it's still how it was done this morning, and I love the long wear of this foundation. Yeah, the L'Oreal Infallible foundation was 24 hours long wear previously, so they've changed the formula to 32 hours, and that is what we were working out with. And I love how it still looks after a good sweat out. And I'm not just saying that because I'm working with them, but I really love this formula. I usually get very irritated with foundation after a couple of hours, but this is so comfortable. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face, and because it has niacinamide in it as well, it hydrates and nourishes your skin. So yeah. So just for reference, guys, this is the foundation that I am talking about. It has vitamin C in it and SPF 25, so that also protects your skin and it gives it sort of like a brightening boost with the vitamin C in it. And like I said, I love the long wear of it. I am in the shade 330, which is hazelnuts. So yeah, if you are someone that is more or less my complexion, then 330 is your girl. Guys, please don't mind my nose. My skin is currently very dry because of the winter, so it is peeling. Don't worry, my nose is not dirty. My skin is just peeling off, so don't mind that. Anyway, I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of my Sunday, and yeah, just hang out and relax and just have a good relaxing Sunday to prepare me for this upcoming week.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it, if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living.
Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. It is the start of a new week. I went to the gym this morning, as you saw from the previous clips, and I am at Sandton City now. Gonna do a bit of a like shopping date with Lindo and Sandar, and then probably grab some brunch. And yeah, those are my plans for today. I just parked right now. I'm gonna head on over inside. I am not gonna take my camera with though, because I have a small, I'm using my little small wallet on chain, so I won't have space for the camera. I will however vlog whatever I'm vlogging on my phone. Do excuse the change in quality between the two, but anyway, let's head on over inside. Are these shades giving or are they giving? So fancy.
Okay, let's say add bag.
Add.
Yeah, add bags. They buy bags.
Oh.
Yeah.
Add
And then minus the medium one. Then add large.
Why large pen? Do I need
You
large?
need a big one, yeah. That fat thing is big. Yeah, accept. Yeah, and then pay. Yeah.
Man.
Keep him at 4,000. This is.
Guys, it is raining cats and dogs and goats and cows outside, but we haven't eaten all day, so we came to Daruma to come grab something to eat. I am starving and I really wanted like something very hearty. Number one, because of this weather. Number two, because I am so hungry. So there's a meal that we always have from Daruma. It's called tapanyaki, and you can have it with either egg, fish, or chicken. I always have it, or lamb chops. I always have it in lamb chops. So we came here to get that, and then we're gonna head on over home. Don't mind if my lips are dry. Yeah, anyway, just thought I would update you guys. The Zara in Santon, guys. Wow, I am so impressed. I am so impressed. I think they even upgraded the what do you call this, the sales assistants, because they seem a lot nicer. And there's a self-service, meaning there's no long lines. The items that they have there, it's giving very UK vibes, you know. And there's Zara makeup as well. The Zara kids is very, oh, I am so happy. That is literally going to be my go-to until Mall of Africa decides to upgrade their store as well. Anyway, let me keep going. Good morning, Queens. I am outdoors this morning. I am sitting outdoors in front of this little pond thing, or lake. Yeah, lake. I haven't done these type of mornings in the longest time. I don't know if you guys remember, like from a couple of vlogs back, I used to come here a lot with Shakira, and we would just spend our morning here and then cycle. So I started doing this again last week. After dropping Michael off at school, I come here and I read my Bible. I journal in my 5-minute journal, and then I just like hang out and soak up the sun and listen to, you know, the birds chirping, just be in nature. I really love these type of mornings, and I forgot how good this is for my soul because I hadn't actually done them in the longest time. So yeah, that's where I am spending my morning today. I'm gonna do a bit of meditation, read my Bible, pray, and journal, and then I'm gonna head on over home. Yeah, sorry, the sun is like literally in my eyes. I was actually sitting on a bench on that side of the dam, but I wanted more direct sunlight, so I walked over the side. And this is the view. So beautiful, so tranquil, so relaxing. This is the perfect way to start my morning. And yeah. Guys, if I tell you how grateful I am to be a child of God and to have access to God, is honestly the most beautiful blessing in life. I was stressed out about something since yesterday. Even this morning when I woke up, it was literally the first thing on my mind. And now when I was praying, I prayed about it, and I kid you not, guys, I prayed about it, and 2 minutes after, you know, amen, I get the email that I have been stressed out about. God is so amazing. He is so amazing, and I am so blessed that I have access to him like that. Oh, my day is just made. I'm gonna go home and get my day started. I need to shoot content today for a campaign that I'm working on, my 3rd video, which I need to submit on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so I want to shoot it today, so at least I have, you know, enough time to correct anything that I need to correct and just not be like under too much pressure. So that's what I'm planning on doing today, and I think I'm actually gonna finish off this vlog here. If I recall correctly, it's been a number of days since I've been vlogging. So I'm gonna end it off here and say thank you so much for watching to you guys, and I am so sorry for the inconsistency of my vlogs. Like, I just get really tired and a little bit demotivated sometimes, and I need a bit of a push. So yeah, I'll try and do better. But for now, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. You know, that's a lot of motivation to just keep going the more you guys subscribe to the channel. So please do that if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!